Did you know coffee is the world's second most traded commodity right after oil? It's enjoyed by over 2.25 billion people worldwide, and I'm guessing you're one of them. Whether you prefer a steaming hot latte or a rich espresso, there is no denying the magic of coffee. This is my daughter's way of brewing the perfect cup with a Salter Espresso Machine.
So today I'm making a coffee of my mom. My dad just fixed the coffee machine and I can make it again. My mom used to teach me, my mom taught me, and then now I know how to make coffee. And so now I can make it again because my dad fixed it. Oh, yeah, water. I pour the water. Close it. Just have to wait. And then after I'll have to turn it off and we'll make the milk. Done. This is the really tricky part. It makes a lot of bubbles and it makes it very hot. Okay, now this is the trickiest part. I need to pour this hot coffee. Then perfect. Now the coffee's done. Last time, Dad put the hot coffee in the fridge and I was like, no, don't put it in the fridge. Mommy likes it hot. And he didn't listen, so he put it in the fridge. And then all of a sudden, Mommy took it and was like, oh, it's horrible because it was so hot. And she put it in the microwave. Bye.